Imagine this, you, solo, producing the output of an entire content team, managing multiple social media accounts, crafting engaging posts, and creating compelling video scripts, all on your own. Sounds impossible? With AI, it's not. Artificial intelligence is rapidly changing the landscape of content creation, making the seemingly impossible, possible. AI isn't here to replace your creativity, it's here to amplify it. To enhance your natural talents and free you from tedious tasks. Think of it as your new superpower, ready to revolutionize your workflow. Imagine a world where you can focus on the creative aspects of your work, while AI handles the more mundane and repetitive tasks. Content creation is tough. Ideas, research, writing, editing, publishing, it's a marathon. A constant race against the clock to deliver high-quality content that resonates with your audience. The pressure for both quality and quantity never stops. The demand for fresh, engaging content is relentless. But the game is changing. AI is the game changer. It offers a smarter, not harder way to work. AI tools help you brainstorm, write, edit, and distribute content faster. This isn't about shortcuts, it's about unlocking your potential, making content creation more joyful and less stressful, freeing you to focus on what you do best, creating amazing content. In this essay, we'll show how AI boosts idea generation, how it turns outlines into rich stories, how it polishes your work and adapts your message for every channel. We'll look at real-world wins too. Get ready to triple your output, without losing your unique voice. AI will help you amplify your message, not replace it. Your content future starts now. Embrace the power of AI and unlock a new era of creativity and productivity. Ever feel like your creative well has run dry? We've all faced the blank page, that daunting moment when inspiration seems miles away. The cursor blinks, mocking our attempts to conjure something from nothing. But what if you had a brainstorming partner that never tires, one that could offer a fresh perspective at any time? AI can be your brainstorming partner, sifting through trends, identifying patterns, and analyzing precisely what your audience wants. It dives deep into the data so you don't have to. It finds not just any ideas but relevant ones that resonate with your target demographic, ensuring your content hits the mark. Imagine asking AI for blog topics your audience craves, topics that will spark conversations and drive engagement. For example, what are common challenges for small business owners in 2025? Let's see what it comes up with. AI scans articles, forums, and social media, absorbing vast amounts of information in seconds. It suggests engaging titles like Time Management Hacks for Busy Founders, a topic that's sure to grab attention, or Navigating Cash Flow, a Small Business Guide, offering practical advice for entrepreneurs. It's like having a research assistant, always ready to delve into any topic, providing you with a wealth of information at your fingertips. AI isn't about having all the answers. It's about providing a spark, igniting your own creativity and helping you find your unique voice. Feed it your content, your existing articles, your website copy. Ask it to find gaps or new angles, areas where you can expand and offer a fresh perspective. AI analyzes your past work and suggests fresh perspectives, helping you break free from familiar patterns and explore uncharted territory. It helps you see your content in new ways, revealing hidden potential and unlocking new avenues for exploration. Say goodbye to writer's block, that frustrating barrier that prevents you from sharing your ideas with the world. Use AI to kickstart your creativity. It's a powerful tool to overcome creative hurdles. Ask questions, give keywords, let it explore for you, and watch as it uncovers hidden gems of inspiration. You'll turn that blank page into a field of possibilities, a landscape brimming with exciting new ideas just waiting to be explored. Your next great idea is just a prompt away, so go ahead, ask away and unlock your creative potential. An idea is just the start of the journey. Next comes structure, substance, and a clear plan. Turning an outline into a full article takes valuable time, but thankfully AI can help you with that. It expands your initial notes into detailed and coherent paragraphs, adds depth to your writing, and even suggests relevant examples. Think of AI as your helpful co-writer and assistant. For a blog on sustainable gardening, AI can quickly draft paragraphs for each section, suggest practical tips like start a compost bin, and provide supporting details and information. The real magic is in the collaboration. AI drafts the initial content, and you refine it, adding your unique voice. AI handles much of the heavy lifting, freeing you up for the creative touches that only you can bring to the table. It's a true partnership, and certainly not a replacement. AI also helps to maintain a logical flow, effectively supports your arguments, and suggests smooth transitions. As a result, your content becomes smoother, more engaging, and easier to read. What once typically took hours can now take just minutes to draft and outline. Expanded content, all without expanded effort on your part. A good draft is a start, but quality is king. Your content must be clear, accurate, and engaging. AI shines as an editor, spotting grammar mistakes, spelling errors, and awkward phrasing. It offers suggestions to improve clarity and make sentences punchier. Fact-checking is crucial. Some AI tools cross-reference information and flag inaccuracies. But remember, your expertise and judgment are essential. Always double-check important claims. Worried about losing your style? Guide AI on tone. Make it conversational or formal, provide writing samples. AI learns your unique voice and cadence. The goal, AI-assisted, not AI-generated personality. AI refines, polishes, and enhances your style without imposing a generic one. Ultimately, AI elevates your writing, ensuring your message is heard and felt. It saves you time on tedious editing, so you can focus on your core message. The result? Higher quality content, produced efficiently, with less stress. You've crafted a brilliant blog post now. How do you share it everywhere? Each platform has its own style and audience. AI is your expert content adapter. It takes your core message and repurposes it for various formats, maximizing your reach. That sustainable gardening post? AI can turn it into tweets, Instagram captions, TikTok scripts, or newsletter summaries, all from one original piece. This isn't copy-paste. AI tailors your message for each platform, considering character limits, hashtags, and tone. LinkedIn needs a different feel than Instagram. Your content feels native and authentic wherever it appears. It's smart repurposing, not lazy repetition. Think of the time saved and efficiency gained. No more rewriting the same ideas for every channel. AI handles the adaptation, you review and polish. Be omnipresent, share your insights far and wide, engaging your audience everywhere. Businesses are already reaping AI's rewards. Marketing teams use AI for ad copy, product descriptions, and faster blog posts. One small e-commerce company used AI to rewrite hundreds of product pages, boosting search rankings and sales in record time. Educators use AI to create lesson plans, quizzes, and simple explanations. Imagine a history teacher using AI for engaging summaries or a language tutor generating practice dialogues. Product teams leverage AI for user manuals, FAQs, and tutorial scripts. A tech startup used AI to create onboarding materials, helping users understand their app faster and reducing support tickets. These examples show AI's transformative power. It's not just for big corporations. Small teams, solopreneurs, and freelancers can all use AI to produce professional, high-quality content. AI levels the playing field, saving time and resources, and helping everyone share their message more powerfully. In today's fast-paced digital world, content is king. But how do you keep up with the ever-increasing demand for fresh, engaging material? How do you triple your content output without sacrificing quality, authenticity, and your unique voice? The answer lies in embracing AI. Start with AI for brainstorming, unlocking new avenues for creativity and innovation. Discover fresh, relevant ideas that you might never have considered on your own. Use it to build outlines, structuring your thoughts and arguments with clarity and precision. And draft initial versions, getting your ideas down on paper quickly and efficiently. This dramatically accelerating your writing process, freeing you up to focus on the bigger picture. Lean on AI for refinement, polishing your prose to perfection. Improve style, check errors, ensuring your writing is clear, concise, and engaging. And ensure facts are sound, building trust and credibility with your audience. Adapt your content for multiple platforms, maximizing your reach and impact. Turn one post into many formats, repurposing your best ideas for different audiences. Integrate AI into your workflow, streamlining your processes and boosting your efficiency. And let it handle repetitive tasks, freeing you up to focus on the creative aspects of your work. AI saves you time, allowing you to accomplish more in less time, and empowers even the smallest teams to achieve remarkable results. To look polished and professional, projecting an image of expertise and authority, it's about working smarter, not harder, leveraging technology to amplify your abilities, augmenting your creativity, sparking new ideas and pushing the boundaries of what's possible, not replacing it, but enhancing your natural talents and skills. You remain the director, the visionary behind your content, strategist and storyteller, crafting compelling narratives that resonate with your audience. AI is your capable assistant, ready to support you every step of the way. The future of content creation is here, is collaborative, efficient and exciting, full of possibilities and potential. Don't be afraid to experiment, explore the vast landscape of AI tools and techniques. Try different AI tools and discover the ones that best fit your needs and preferences. Find what suits your style, creating a personalized workflow that empowers you to create your best work. Start small, learn as you go, gradually integrating AI into your content creation process. The journey to tripling your output is within reach. Begins with a single step, a commitment to embracing the power of AI. Take that step today and unlock your full potential as a content creator. Your audience awaits, eager to consume the amazing content you're about to create.